welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're doing this look right here. I think I did a poll on my Instagram and you guys had said you guys wanted a tutorial because I posted a look on it and you guys were like loving it. It was like, oh my God, it was like unanimous. So I was like, okay, I will film it for you guys. I did use the Jaclyn Hill palette and the OG palette, but you don't need this palette. As long as you get the same kind of color in this palette to use, you should be fine. This is what I use. Yes, it is dirty. I don't have the new one, but what are you gonna do? So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole. I do videos about makeup, reviews, tutorials, vlogs as well. So if you're into that, subscribe, put the notification bell on, or when I upload, that would be awesome. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. All right, so welcome to my first voiceover. So this is different for me, but I'm really excited. So we're gonna take MAC's strobe cream, but before that, we're gonna tie up our hair into a ponytail because I don't know, I just feel like I work better when my hair is in a ponytail. So I'm just doing a messy bun, nothing too crazy. So going in with the strobe cream, it's in the yellow color. I will link it down below. I just really like using this as a primer, and it's like a face base because it's perfect for putting on foundation. So with that being said, mixing it into the face, we're gonna go in with Milk Makeup's blurring stick. This, I am so obsessed with, you guys. You have no idea. I use it usually on my porous areas, which is like under, right beside the nose, and just a little bit on the forehead because we don't want that. So I have been obsessed with this foundation stick from Hourglass. I love it so much that I mix it in with Clinique foundation because I'm a little bit in between shades, so I should get my shade, but you know. Anyways, so I'm just mixing that in, and I'm going to be using the Sigma F80 flat top kabuki brush to mix that in, which is my go-to, which I will link down below as well. I will link all the products below. So we're just basically, we're going to be quickly taking an iced coffee break because I love iced coffee, especially during the summer months, which is my favorite. But anyways, we're going to be buffing this foundation into the skin. So make sure you get the hairlines, part of your ears, and make sure you bring this foundation down to your neck because you do not want to have a harsh line that doesn't match your face to your neck, because your face is usually lighter compared to your body. So anyways, sorry about the lighting. We're going to be going in with concealer. I don't know why the clips were darker. I think I changed the settings on my camera. But anyways, going in with the Too Faced Born This Way. You don't need this concealer. You can use anyone, just a shade or two lighter from your foundation. And we're going to be underneath the eye, on top of the nose, and on the forehead. You can do your chin as well. I'm using the Morphe G2 brush, which is my favorite. I did a favorite brushes set, or favorite brushes, I guess you could say, video, just to let you guys know what I love. But make sure you blend that out and bring that concealer onto the eyelid. Is a perfect way to prime and prep your eyes. So now we can set all of the concealer, and we're gonna go in with RCMA No Color Powder. You don't need this, just use any translucent setting powder. It can be from Laura Mercier, it can be from Maybelline, it can be whatever. So just taking a tapered brush and setting underneath the eye and on top of the eyelid, just so that when we go in with eyeshadow, everything will blend nice and seamlessly. And yeah, make sure you get your forehead and your chin. That's where I usually get kind of oily. So yeah. So once we're done setting the eyes, I'm gonna go and do my eyebrows off camera, which is, I use the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. But I'm back now and my eyebrows are done. So we're just gonna take an angled brush and dip some more of that translucent powder and angle out our eyes and put some powder underneath our eyes because we're gonna be going in with some pigment and some shadows. Going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm just so excited for it. We're gonna go in with Pukey and Creamsicle. We're gonna be mixing those together on an E40 or E35, I believe. I'm really excited. We're gonna be mixing that and putting that into the crease. Nothing crazy, just where your eyelid folds, I guess you could say, in windshield wiper motions and in circular motions, just sloppily. Don't worry about precision or anything like that. We're just putting some pigment down, as you can see, just to get a gradient effect to make like a sunset. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, moving on, we are gonna be going in with Hunts. I love this color. It is such a great, like, fire engine orange. It's so pretty. So just putting that into the crease with a smaller brush. I think this is a MAC 217, but just putting that in the crease as well, and just blending and just blending. Just keep that brush in there for a while. So circular motions and windshield wiper motions as well. For this look, you do need a lot of brushes. I should have mentioned that. So just blending that out, picking as much as you want pigment, and then moving on to the next color, we're going to be taking Jax and another 217 or whatever, and just deepening up that color into the outer V, this time just packing it on. Going back with Hunts, we're just taking no additional product and blending that out as well. This look is all about blending. You just need to blend, blend, blend. So going back in with the original brush with Creamsicle and Pukey, just picking up a little bit more product, just so that, as you can see, getting a gradient effect and just trying to blend that out so it's not so harsh of where we put the lower colors. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? I hope so. But anyways, so coffee break, not gonna lie. It's so good, you guys. Anyways, we're gonna take Soda Pop and putting a little bit, and we're just gonna be packing a little bit on the edges. So as you can see, I'm just packing it ever so lightly, but that's why we have the translucent powder underneath our eyes to just catch any fallout. So just packing it on the outer V of your eyeball, packing it, and just getting it to the color that you want. We will go back in, basically doing all these steps, and then we're gonna do it again just to get it the way we want and blend it properly. Hopefully that makes sense. So going back with Creamsicle and Pukey, blending it all out, and then Hunts and Jax doing it all over again. So going in with the original Jaclyn Hill palette, that dark pinky color, I don't know what it is, but taking a Luxie brush, which is really more refined and pointy, and putting that strictly into the crease. As you can see, we're gonna try to make a purpley pink kind of smoky eye. So these colors just complement each other and they just look so good. So as I'm taking this color, I think I take it and I put it into the lower lash line. Yes, I do. So putting that in there, blending it out, since we're here, might as well use that color. So putting it into the crease, then the lower lash line with that from the original Jaclyn Hill palette. But if you don't have that, that's okay. Like Jaclyn's Favorites palette, sorry. So with that being said, just buffing it out, making it really not precise, just blending, blending, blending. That's all I can say for that. Going in with the MAC 242 brush, which is a flat brush. I think we're going to be packing it on, and I think you can, I think I spray it with Fix Plus just to get more of the color, but just packing that purple all over the lid. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be precise. Yes, there we go. Just wanting to make that color super, super intense, and it's such a beautiful color. That is Royalty. We're going to be putting that all over the lid and just packing it. Try not to go too far into the crease. So once we do that, we're just gonna go back with Soda Pop, I believe, or was that Jax? I think that was Jax, and just blending everything out, as you can see. Then we'll go back with Hunts, or no, sorry, we go back with that pinky purpley color and just blending everything out. Just going back in with colors that we're doing. Every time you add, we go back and blend, and then blend and blend. So hopefully that makes sense. So I really wanted the eyelids to pop, so I am mixing a little bit of Sissy and Little Lady. So I think I went in with Sissy first. It is a really nice color, but I really wanted something to pop more. And I think I spray it with Fix Plus. Again, this is another 242 brush. Yes, I know I'm using a lot of brushes, but you guys, this look, yeah, it looks so good. So once I used that color, I think I went with Obsessed. Did I go with Obsessed? Oh no, I brought in Faint. Yes, okay. So I brought in Faint, and then I packed that on the lid, and as you can see, it's so pretty. So once we pack it on, then we're gonna blend it out, because, you know, like blending and then putting and then blending. So I went back in with a little bit of Soda Pop and then blended the edges out. So putting it onto the inner corner, or outer corners, my bad. And a little bit on the inner corners, not too much. And then going in with Jax, blending it out again. And then I believe I go back in with Creamsicle and Pukey and just blending it out. As you can see, hopefully you understand, like, this is just a gradient effect. Yes, it's a lot of steps, but it is a really pretty makeup look. So going back in with that Luxie brush and then going with Soda Pop. As you can see, we're just repeating and repeating the steps to get this going. So I'm just packing a little bit more of Soda Pop on the outer corners, just the way I want it to be as smoky as I want. So, and I think I'm relatively done. Yeah, I'm done with this look. So we're done with that. Just going to be taking in light, and I think I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone. Yes, I am. And that is the perfect, like, it reminds me of MAC Nylon so much, or Shimma Shimma, but from Makeup Geek. But anyways, we're bringing that into the inner corners and then our brow bone, and just kind of putting it into that little nook. And then now we can wipe away any fallout and the translucent setting powder underneath our eyes, which is, I'm so excited because wearing that powder gets really annoying after a while. So anyways, going in with Essence Make Me Brow, just setting the eyebrows because I set it always after my eye makeup because powder, dust, everything goes onto your eyebrows. So I set it so we get a color. Sorry about the camera color. I don't know why I went back, but anyways, going in with the Stila liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to be making a little wing, nothing too thick, just kind of a thinner wing. Sorry, it's been a long day. So just going in with that, and see, just kind of a little line just so that we kind of create a nice little wing. I didn't want to make it too big. I just really wanted it small, but you can make it as big, as thick, or as thin as you want. So anyways, going in with an eyelash curler, we're going to be coating the lashes. I only show one eye, but I did do both, so make sure you do both. Just holding it there, going in with my Holy Grail mascara and coating those lashes on. And I am going in with the lashes Ardell, which is Demi Wispies are my favorite. But since before we coat the bottom lashes, I am just going to be buffing in with more of that pink color into the lower lash line. And I'm taking a flat definer brush here, and I didn't show you, but I am taking a little bit of Soda Pop and putting that onto the lower lash line as well. The flat definer brush helps create kind of more like an eyeliner kind of color. So anyways, adding eyeliner, my little Ardency Inn little eye kohl. I need to buy a new one from Sephora, but just putting that onto the inner waterline. I use a little puff so I don't touch my face and I don't ruin it. And then we coat the lashes. So yeah, it's a lot of steps, but I don't know. I think it works out in the end. Anyways, so once we finish coating our lashes, I zoomed you guys out, took some iced coffee, and we're gonna be continuing on with the face. Oh my god, you guys, I need a new contour palette. It's so bad. So anyways, going with the F05 contouring brush, I'm just gonna be contouring, carving out my cheekbones, my forehead, which is I love. Make sure you get it into your hairline because you just don't want to see white and then dark and then, you know, all that stuff. So contouring the nose, this is a BH cosmetic brush. And then once we contour the nose, make sure you blend everything out and that it's not so harsh. As you can see, I'm going in with some of that yellow powder from the contour kit and just fixing everything up. Now, I didn't want to use the blush for this look, so I ended up going with Laura Mercier's Peach Mosaic highlighter, and I'm using the pinky shade, the white shade, the whiter shade, and the gold shade, so that we get a nice highlight because our contour, I just really wanted to bronze up the face and contour the face. I didn't really want to do more pinky because the eye is so bold of a look, so just highlighting to the gods. Enjoying my life. And I forgot to contour my neck, so I'm going to quickly contour my neck. Don't forget to do that because who doesn't want a defined and chiseled jawline? You know what I'm saying? So make sure you bring that contour down so that you can bronze up, you know, your neck, and then it's not so harsh and that there's definition. So with that being said, I went off camera and put on the Demi Wispy lashes, and this is the finished eye look. I hope you like it, and we're going to go to Live Leslie coming up right now. All right, so we're almost done with this look. I figured I would just get off the voiceover and finish off the look. So I'm going in with Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trendsetter to just line my lip because I love this look. We have such a dark smoky eye, so I really want to do like, really wanted to do more of a nudie kind of lip. and Trendsetter has been my go-to for like a long time. So I'll just kind of roughly line it, not necessarily fill it in, because we're actually gonna go with my new little baby. It's from Patrick Star. I don't know if you saw on my Insta stories, this was on sale and I was like super shocked. So anyways, I'm just gonna go with a She Better Work just to give us more of a nudie kind of lip. That is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video and took away some tips and tricks on how to achieve this look. I had this look on Instagram and you guys voted. You guys wanted to see a tutorial on it, so here you go. I did it for you guys. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on what you want to see on the next video. If you like these kind of tutorials, more of a smoky eye, let me know. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe. I do weekly videos for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.